Good morning, friends. This is Chaitanya, pursuing third BTech, the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. Today our topics are drugs. Drugs is a chemical substances that affect our function of physical structure, function of our body. It may have any medical use or not. Today, now youth and everybody are addicted to drugs. Everybody it became a fashion for the usage of drugs. There are many advantages and disadvantages for using drugs. As we take for the advantages of the drugs, every drug we using in a limited manner is useful, but when we exceed our limits, it on our body. And there will affect disadvantages of drugs. There are many disadvantages. It affects main parts of our body like central nervous system, heart, liver, kidney, likewise. When usage of drugs become much, it affects the main parts of our body comparing to the other parts of our body.
Yes, I am agreeing with you, Chaitanya. Good morning, friends. This is Arshia. I am studying third BTech in the stream of CSE. Now I am going to discuss about the topic is drug. Drug is a chemical substance which changes our body. It has many effects on our body. Because why these teenagers are taking these drugs means this taking of drugs has become very fashion. And the most important thing is the children are not getting infection allowed towards the parents, because the parents are very busy in their schedules. Because they are busy in their jobs and they are not caring about the children. They are becoming free, so they are addicted to these drugs and so on. In my view, it is very important to guide the children in the right way, and by using these drugs there are many diseases we can get, like the redding of eyes, and they loses the loss of weight and loss of appetite. They are not interested in the stomach marks, and the attendance and so on is decreased.
I agree with you on the of CSE. I agree with Arshi because she told that family relation will be cut due to this drug addiction, because when the students are addicted to these drugs, they only related to outward situations and environment, that is friends, etc. And the relationship between the parents and children, like their family relations and bonds, will be get cut. Over 55%, when coming to this, over 55% of boys and 24% of girls are addicted to these drugs, and 29% are addicted to this cannabis. When we know that the parents at the initial stage, the parents care about their kids, they are in assumption like our daughters, our kids are in a limit. They don't cross their limits. Likewise, they think. But at initial stage, the parents will decrease these type of assumptions.
Good morning, friends. This is Charita. The experiment and curiosity are the main causes to addict the youth and addict the drugs among youth. So many problems to control the problems. They were to addict the drugs. Children basic needs to security, development of organization and their organizations. So currently it is not getting at the pump, so it is not. The parents became a frustration, so we added to the drugs, and we add that it is gangs, so we diagnose them.
Good morning, friends. I am Chandrasekhar. In the third BTech CSE. In India country, 90% of the boys are addicted to the drugs, and 10% of the people in the ladies are there. Many of these in the parents are supported in that and encouraging our children. And many of the bar and restaurant are using the drugs. In other states in the country, other states, many people are every person are using the drugs. In the cocaine, cocaine and alcohol, and many number of types of drugs are using in the country.
Good morning, friends. This is Balaji. Whatever the Chandrasekhar is telling, right? And we can compare in old days. Mainly, we are using these drugs for the medical purpose only. Now we are using these drugs for enjoyment purpose. Mainly, we can see these educated people who are in professional courses. They are using these drugs for the relaxation purpose. When go through these advantages, it has some advantages. When we take these drugs, it gives relaxation and for the easy to move and we can do any work easily, and the dosage will become some more, it will harmful to us. Mainly the drugs are coming from the foreign. Mainly these drugs are available in Afghanistan and South Africa. These drugs are imported from those countries, and we see in our country mainly drugs are available in at most sea area, that is Goa, Mumbai. Why? Because without permission of this permission from the government, they are taking these drugs and selling in the markets without any permission.
Hi friends, this is Ashish, studying first classes in stream of CSE. Types of drugs. So many types of drugs are there. Cocaine, menace, alcohol pains and many people. So this part is like rice. Cocaine is the import the African countries. Drugs are mostly encouraged the film stars.
The drugs are many types. There are cannabis and brown sugar. This cannabis is also known as popularly known as ganga. This ganga is from ancient times. In ancient days, in olden days, they are using the Lord Shiva. In the Lord Shiva, the devotees are using for these drugs. But it becomes 10 million people are using this cannabis known as ganga, and this brown sugar and opium are etc. are the drugs. By using it is not the case in the richer people. It is affecting more in poor peoples, because the poor peoples are depending on their fathers and something, but they are not getting the income from the parents. They are suffering a lot. The children and their family members are suffering a lot because of this. In richer people, it is a fashion to drink the alcohol and something and all. There are 14 people, 40% of the people or women are using this drug for a week, and 90% of the men are using drugs for a week.
According to the National Center on Addiction and Substance, they told that nearly 88% of high school students are addicted to these drugs. Mainly they are addicted due to this partying way. In modern culture, partying is one of the way how they are addicted to these drugs. Initially they start with partying. Partying is without alcohol. There is no party in modern days. By this we can increase the students or the younger people can increase this alcohol percentage in a higher manner.
Present in Indian government encouraging the drugs. The film actors are using the drugs. Main company heroines are using drugs for glamours using music, and rest of percent in the people, heroes and many people are using in the film industries.
Like in Afghanistan, the Afghanistan parents are injecting opium to the children for the minimum relaxation of the body. While they are thinking that opium is useful as a painkiller. So there are many countries likewise, not only Afghanistan, many countries are using opium and cocaine, marijuana. Likewise, they are using as a painkiller. From minimum age of 6 years, kid also is injected by these drugs. This affects much on the kid. By using from childhood onwards, he cannot be having a lifespan of more than 35 years. So it should be stopped by the backward countries.
Good morning, guys. This is Balaji. Nowadays, drugs is mainly fashion to you. Mainly cocaine, cigarette, alcohol, extra.
Yeah, what he says is right. Nowadays, mainly engineering and colleges, when we see the students for the enjoyment purpose, they are using these cocaines, alcohols. We're mainly in parties, but parties.
There is no treatment for these drugs. The only treatment is the scientific basis and giving group discussions, and there are many therapies to reduce these drugs. There's water out theories and out therapies and group discussions, and by taking the delicious food and by maintaining the yogas, and by using these therapies you can reduce the drug addiction.
And also we should create awareness to create amount about the drugs addiction. TVs, channels, radios, newspapers are the important means to awareness among the people. So
What you said is correct, but there are many users for using drugs. Some of them are by taking from 1 to 2 units of alcohol per week. There are many advantages. It increases the strength of our body, and where we use 3 to 5 units, it increases the physical strength. And many of the doctors suggest for old people to take some limited amount of drugs to use. Why? Because it increases the strength of the body to the old people. Whatever we are using, it should be in a limited manner. For example, if you take alcohol, it affects on our liver especially. So by taking it in a limited manner, it will not be affected on our body.
I can say that India is a hub of these drugs, because the illegal activities which can done in India is with mostly popular with internet, and these courier services may play an important role in this transformation of these drugs or in cocaine, etc. And not only these cocaine drugs, and also alcoholism is also plays an important role in India mostly. In India, mostly 99% of labor people who is daily working, they are addicted to this alcoholism, and by this their family relations, which can be their family relation who are depends on that person, they suffer a lot.
according to me, peer pressure and depression is the main causes to addict the drugs. Peer pressure means the youth are so many associated with the different peoples that are known as the friends. These friends are forced to take some drug. Once this is done, it is continuously going on. Depression is the one of the main causes to the addict to the drugs.
Not only depression, there are many misbeliefs for using drugs. One person will think that we will just see what's the taste of it, and we can live it. And it is one of the minds, and there are many minds. It increases the physical strength of the body, and also if we get addicted, we can get freely back by some of the treatments like this.
Good morning to one and all. This is Anuradha. There are many people and organizations in our culture who are trying very hard to make the pre-disposition in physiological manner.
Nowadays, drugs are used in pubs and bar and restaurants. bar and restaurants permits the drugs, mainly the drugs use youth and engineering colleges. In olden days, drugs are used in cool drinks 0.007%. Drugs in cool drinks.
Money friends, son, I'm studying third BTech in the stream of CSE. According to me, addiction of drug is harmful not only for the addicted people but also has negative impact on the society. It can cause dangerous changes in our body, mind, and speed of addiction. Drugs are telling some problems are created in blood cancer and affecting in the heart and every place. The people are only